Solar energy systems for pools. If you have a pool, you know how much heating it can crank up your utility bill. Solar energy systems for pools offer an alternative method that will not devastate your bank account. Solar energy systems for pools. When most people think of solar energy systems, they think of the large crystalline structures that are meant to collect a lot of solar energy in order to convert it into solar power. However, there are other uses for solar energy systems. One of the more ingenious uses for this technology is the use of solar energy systems for heating pools. By using solar power to heat your swimming pool, you can be sure that your morning swim will always be nice, comfortable, and cheap. Everyone has to heat their pool unless they are living in a tropical climate where the temperature doesn't drop at night. Some people choose to purchase a pool cover, but these only work to limit heat loss versus actually heating up the water. Gas heaters work well, but the operating cost of a gas heater can really add up. A low initial cost can draw pool owners to gas heaters, but the charges over the life of the use of the pool can be appalling. Using solar energy systems for heating pools, however, can solve all of the problems of the above methods. Usually, solar energy systems are installed on the roof of your house, where much sunlight hits. These solar energy systems collect heat, which is transmitted to water stored in hoses behind the solar collectors. This warms the water, which is then circulated through the pool. This method of heating a swimming pool does cost more initially than any other heating system, but the solar collectors and other accessories pay for themselves within a few years. If you plan to live in the home for some time, the cost will be a fraction of any other heating method. If you plan to sell the house in the near future, the solar energy systems will add to the value of the house since they are considered energy savers over time. The use of solar energy systems for heating pools is a time-tested strategy. If you live in an area where lots of homes have pools, you should take a walk around the neighborhood. You will notice lots of homes with pools have solar energy systems. The only downside to this approach is the government does not offer any financial incentives for heating your pool with solar. Given the utility savings, it really doesn't matter. It is still a no-brainer to use solar energy systems for heating pools. Solar energy systems are a great choice for heating your swimming pool. As well as being the most cost-effective heating system, solar energy systems are the most eco-friendly as well. Choosing solar energy for your swimming pool heating means that everyone wins.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.